Dear friends and students, good afternoon. I am HAKIKAT SHARMA from Ghaziabad. It has rained several times today, and today's rain has added to the beauty of this beautiful garden. It is the central park of Chiranjiv, Vihar, Ghaziabad. I love nature, therefore I am making this video for all of you. You will be pleased to note that we depend upon the nature for everything. We get everything from it. We must preserve it. We must love it. We must respect it. We must protect it. It is a pious duty of everyone, wherever one may be living across the globe. The nature is a great educator. It gives and takes nothing. There is always poetry in nature. Whenever we are close to the nature, we get great happiness. That happiness is permanent. It cannot be measured. Let us see it once more. Many people come to this park for walking, especially in the evening and the morning. Sometimes I also come here. Thanks for watching this video. I am HAKIKAT Sharma from Ghaziabad. Thank you very much.